These are heavy that is a main types of forces throughout Greece and we just marched on down. So as you can see, they are marching using a solid wall of wood which will protect city state. You can see on their heads they have the bronze helmet, and the majority of them are wearing crests. We don't know exactly what the crest was used for, whether it was just to make them look bigger and scarier, or whether it was potentially to show which direction they were moving in for the rear ranks to be able to follow, because the Greeks never actually told us. The layers are built up, they provide a great deal of protection from penetrative weapons. Some of them are also scaled. Usually the most vulnerable part of the body armour would be underneath the right arm, which is the spear arm, which would be raised. So that's where you want your protection, if you can afford it. The arms would be quite useful in the hot and dusty climates of the Persian Empire, but they are incredibly long. And he is wearing pyjamas. And the reason we call them barbarians is because they don't speak Greek. All they say is He is predominantly an archer. He has a light shield. He can use that to fend off other missile weapons that might be thrown at him. So the Persians outnumber the Greeks. They have brought 30,000 troops with them to their marathon, and they anticipate a swift and decisive victory over the Greeks. They want to decimate them with their missile warfare, but they don't have the ability to deploy cavalry, so they might get a bit of a surprise. So we're going to see how the Greeks would form up and make the phalanx, and how the phalanx will move when it actually engages the enemy. They're going to take the defence against archers. And we're going to see what the Persians can do as this defensive tactic. And as you can see, we have some arrows coming in. Not particularly effective. We have wooden shields that are bronze, and we have basically another phalanx of Greeks if they decided to work. That meant that there was less chance for the archers to pick them off. Obviously we're not going to do that here for various health and safety reasons, but we will show you how they would advance towards the enemy. We have some interesting high-tech ballistic weapons coming in there, rocks. Actually, the rock sounds like a very humble weapon, but in fact it was a rock that killed the Persian general when someone picked one up and threw it at his head. So they can be quite effective. And here you see how the Greeks are a solid wall of wood and bronze. So, thank you ladies and gentlemen for watching. We have been the Hot Fight Association, with Hoplity on Galatea and Enemotia. Thank you very much, and if you'd like to come and talk to us more about our tips and see some of our other items, you can see us on our living history display over by Regular Language.